How to completely uninstall 360 total security from Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first you want to right click on the start button right here and then click on apps or features or installed apps for Windows 11. It should open up this window right here. And then you want to look for it by name. So search for 360 and then click on all the 360 apps that you find. And then click on uninstall, and then confirm this action, and it should bring up this window right here. And then click on the next button at the bottom right hand side here, and then it should bring up this window. And then click on I do not need it right here, and then it should bring this window again. Select uninstall, and then click on the uninstall button right here, and it should ask you to delete files in quarantine. Basically, select everything here and then click on next, and then it should ask you to confirm again. I want to remove it permanently. Press yes, and then it should basically start uninstalling this piece of software. And once it's done, you should see a window like this where it says it finished installing this application. It should take a while for some reason. Then click on finish simply, and now it's gone from your computer. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.